All right, real quick video walkthrough of this one bed on Com Ave in Warren Street. This is one of the 2 bedrooms. Let's change that. All right, got a little closet here. Okay. So radiator heating. That means that the heat and hot water are included. Bathroom. Kind of your standard shower tub combo. We got little shelves over here for your linens. Toilet, vanity, sink. Back into the foyer. Bedroom number 2. No closet. Some decent sunlight. Common area. Closet. It's a little bit shallow, as you can see. And then the living room. Okay. Good sized windows. Sliding door closet. All right. And back into the hallway. So just to note that the unit will be thoroughly cleaned, and any kind of repairs that need to be made will be, so it'll look in much better condition when it is rented. Thanks for the video walkthrough. Hope you enjoyed it.